Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a page break in your Microsoft Word document. So a page break in Microsoft Word is a marker that indicates the end of a page and the beginning of a new one. So let me show you how you can apply a page break in your Microsoft Word document. So here I'll be using Microsoft Word Online, which is available from your Office 365 through Outlook.com. So with Outlook.com, you get a free mailbox and you get to use these three applications: Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So we'll go ahead and open up Word. Now here, I'll go ahead and open up a document which I've typed up. Now here, as you can see, this document is 2 pages long. However, I want a space between this first page and the second page. So let me show you how we can add a page break to add an empty page in the middle of these two documents. So first you want to go ahead and bring your cursor down to the end of the first document. So here. Now at the top here, you want to go ahead and click on Insert. And from here, you want to find Page Break. So go ahead and click on that. Now once you do that, it'll basically move on to the next page. However, you want this to go down to the third page, so go ahead and click again, and now that will bring down to the third page. So now when you scroll up, the first page is filled with your text, now the second page is blank, and the third page has the other text. So there you go guys, that is how to add a page break to a Microsoft document. So there you go guys, that is how to add a page break to a Microsoft document. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.